me and my husband. You okay?
Yeah, Hi.
Hi. So, husband?
Works for me.
What's up, everybody? It's Mike, and tonight we're giving you the smoothest vibe in the game. This is our brand new Smooth Berry Thriller Zen.
And I'm bringing the heat with Mamba Mint.
Cool, clean, and clutch.
Just
2
like
for
we
12
like it.
only while we're live, so hit that.
All right, I'm going to show you how to do the perfect everyday glam. First step, blush. Just grab a ton of it, swirl it around, boom, right on there. If your face doesn't look like you just ran a marathon in the desert, you're not doing it right.
Street lights burning, see the smoke in the sky. I'm still dreaming bigger than the blocks I reside. Gold in my chain, but the weight's in the story. Every scar on my skin is a note in the glory. You feel me?
I have a dream. Actually, never mind. I don't. 6, 7.
Y'all hear that? That's not the floor, that's the shoe.
No way.
Little air valve right here. When I step, instant groove.
That's wild.
Call it the
Mike.
shoe fart. Patent pending, baby groove.
That's wild.
My truck is faster than... Get inside now! Huh? Go! Inside! Hurry! Hey, get back! Get! Oh, shut the door! Shut the door!
Your chicken's looking nice, pal.
Woo! Yo, he stole my chicken!
Got a crispy treasure, can't slow me down. Hot and golden, I'm out at this town. Move, move, Friday victory.
Well, get back here.
Run, spin, slide, I'm gliding out the door. Fried love in my arms, can't give it up no more. Hey!
Welcome to Kenya. Here we say, one time, siku zote. Man, I love it out here. Man, the pimp miss y'all motherfuckers, I can't lie. Got so many hits in the vault waiting, but I can't drop them yet. It be eating me up inside, because I know y'all been waiting, and it's going to break the internet, but just wait for 2026. Thug.
Are you kidding me? The queen is rolling down the ramp like it's nothing. Look at the agility. That's royalty with momentum right there. No way. She's climbing the cage. Down on top of the cage. Get down. Elizabeth with the royalty.
We're over the 405 right now, where a group of video game style go-karts led by a man in a red cap are being chased by multiple patrol units. They are moving about 60 miles an hour in the fast lane.
Hey, no. Oh my God! Stop! Drop that!
I got the steak!
Look out! Chips! Move aside, please!
This is the best day ever.
Hey, stop that sheep!
Outside! It's gone!
Yo, I just ran into Tupac on the block. Look who it is.
What's up, fam? Peace and love. You know what it is.
Man, this is crazy.
Legend right here. We out here staying grounded, staying real. Keep chasing your dreams. Don't let
People told me not to have the roof down, but you know what I told them? Dab on the haters.
I have a dream that I'm never going to give you. I'm never going to let you down. Never going to run around and desert you.
Have you heard the good news? Taco Bell has Baja Blast back in stock. Blessings.
It's Jeff. We need to talk. Open up.
Get out! Hey, get out of here! Go on! Whoa.